Hello, it's Patrick and welcome to another electric vehicle accessory review video. And today our friends at Test Launch have provided us with some cool looking brake caliper covers. So these are red and I think they look pretty slick. They go over the real calipers and they just make it look a little bit nicer, and they give you some extra protection against dirt and grime, and they just kind of make it look neat and pop, so it's just kind of stand out a little bit different. They're made from a heat-resistant, high-strength material for long-lasting performance. They're tailor-made for the Cybertruck, so they fit perfectly. And the installation process isn't too bad. You just got to take off the tires. And here's my little montage with my friend helping me take off the monster tires on the Cybertruck and place on these calipers. On the rear wheels, it's just 2 screws. On the front wheels, there's 3 screws, and it's a little bit harder because there's these 3 little pieces that you have to hold in place while you put the caliper over and then screw them on. All these ones for looks.
That's how a caliper is typically assembled.
Made to look like one.
So it looks exactly.
Oh yeah,
like
and then that.
Yeah.
But overall, the installation's pretty straightforward and simple. I think it's a nice look. Take a look at the little video and pictures that I have below. It's just kind of an added flair, and it looks pretty nice. They are very solid. They're very sturdy. They don't seem cheap at all. The cost is $2.99, but with our coupon code 2SMART, you'll save. And it also helps us out here at the channel to make more videos and reviews and news. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, again, please like and share and subscribe. If you want to get yourself some stuff at Test Launched, % off with the code 2SMART, TOOSMART. Thanks again. See you again real soon. Bye. Thank you.